Alright guys, I want to share with you this thing I got for our cornhole set here. When we bought this cornhole board, it was just a plain wooden cornhole board. It had no designs on anything, and we got a cornhole skin, a vinyl skin. So this is essentially like a sticker, and it is we have a matching pair. And so I helped my wife. We rolled this on top of this board here. She got a little cutting knife, cut around the hole right here. And so this is taking a plain board that had no, it wasn't very fancy to look at. And now we've got this fancy American flag cornhole board here that we made from a plain board. So also something to keep in mind here, when we had this on here, we felt like maybe it wasn't very slick, like the bags weren't sliding like they're supposed to. And so what we did, we put a coat of polyurethane, non-shiny polyurethane. We tried some spray stuff, that didn't work, so we brushed some on, I think 1 or 2 coats, I don't remember. But now we're getting a lot better with the bags sliding like they're supposed to. We were throwing the bags and they would just kind of stick, kind of like that, and not slide. But this is much better. So if you do this, you may want to look at getting a coat or something on top of it to have them, have your bag slide like they would in a professional cornhole board setting. So if you have a plain cornhole set that you bought and it's not very fancy looking, you want to check out these skins. There's a bunch of different types to choose from, and this is the one that we chose.